Let's start with the most important. So here at GDG SDSF, we have two domains, tech team and a non-tech team. So Mansha will tell us about the tech team. So Mansha, please.
Okay, so this is Mansha, and many of you already know me. I was the content lead in the previous session, and today I'm about to tell you about the tech roles we have in our GDG SDSF community. So, anybody is having any idea? Ki what roles are we having? Oh, right now she has shared the screen as well. So, we have four major roles, that is Android lead, cloud lead, web development lead, and AIML lead. Okay, so we have these roles, and for every role, we have certain responsibilities and the requirements. Okay, so before telling you the specific responsibilities and requirements, I'll firstly tell you that for every role, be it in a tech team or in a non-tech team, you should have at least the basic skills, that is good communication and presentation skills and enthusiasm for learning new technologies, because in the absence of that you won't be able to give your best to the community, right? So let us deep dive into what all we need for being in these roles. So starting with the first role, that is cloud lead. So the responsibilities for a cloud lead is to organize and lead cloud based events. For example, right now we are having our Google Cloud Study Exams event, that is being led by Laksh Porwal, who is our previous cloud lead, right? Many of you have already registered and are doing the labs. Then you have to help the participants understand cloud computing basics and the practical applications of cloud platform. And in case if we are collaborating with the learners or the facilitators or the educators for a cloud platform, you have to collaborate with them if you are the cloud lead, right? Then what are the technical requirements? You must have the basic understanding of the cloud platform and cloud computing concepts. You must be familiar with the quick labs. Right now, if you are doing, many of you are first year students, right? So if you are doing that Google Cloud study jams, then you will understand that there are few labs which you have to complete, which are quick labs, right? And there is Google Cloud Skill Boost platform, from where you might get a lot of information about the cloud platform and cloud technologies. So you must be aware of that. Then you have to be good at presenting and communication skills, which I've already mentioned. Then moving towards our second role, that is web development lead. So the responsibilities might involve maintenance and upgradation of official GDG website. For our community, we have a website, and where we put our new events, pages, blogs, and updates regularly. So if you are the web development lead, the entire responsibility of maintaining and upgrading that website will fall in your side, right? And you have to be collaborative with the designers and content team so that your website becomes more responsive and more good, and it has effectiveness for other people, right? Then the requirements include knowledge for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Many of For many of you it would be some new thing, but for web development you need to have the understanding of these three languages. Then after that, you might be familiar with React.js framework, that is a front-end framework, and Tailwind CSS or any modern framework that contributes to web development, right? Then after that, you might have understanding of the databases like Firebase, MongoDB, or other databases, right? After that, you have to be aware of UI UX. You guys know about UI UX? Anybody? The basic front-end design. Okay, people know about it. सो यूआई इज द यूजर इंटरफेस, मतलब आप कोई भी वेबसाइट बनाते हो तो वो कैसे सामने से दिखेगी, उसका फ्रंट एंड कैसा होगा, what all elements will show up in front, that is UI UX. If you guys have any doubt, you might ask in the chat section as well, and you might turn on your mic as well at the same time. Okay, then third, that is our AIML lead. So for being an AIML lead, the responsibilities include sessions, workshops, conduction for AIML and generative AI, Then you have to guide team projects. For example, you might involve your juniors or your fellow mates into some projects involving data or AI or machine learning models or LLMs, etc. You have to be updated with all the latest technologies, trends, and tools of AI, and specifically for Google, specifically of Google. Okay. Then the requirements include knowledge of Python. If you have to be an AI/ML lead, you must have a proficient knowledge about Python and its related libraries like NumPy, Pandas, or ML libraries. Then you have to be aware of the AI/ML fundamentals and model training. And at last, you have to be familiar with the AI tools of Google like Gemini. And you have to be interested and involved in AI based community projects or hackathons. Okay. Is there any doubt till now? Anybody? Okay. So our fourth role is Android lead. Okay. So the responsibilities include leading the app development projects for GDG and helping the juniors and fellow mates for app development and helping them to understand the basics of Android development. Then you might, if in future, if GDG will have any app of its own, GDG SDSF, then you have to assist in maintaining that app. The requirements include strong understanding of Java, and you might have awareness about the Android Studio and UI building. Then there are few tools for Android development, that is Kotlin or Flutter. So you have to have the knowledge of that particular tools, and you must have the problem solving mindset and good debugging skills for this Android lead role. Okay. So these are the four main tech roles in our GDG SDSF community: cloud lead, web dev lead, AIML lead, and Android lead. So each one of these roles is having a great opportunity to learn something new. And yeah, for every other role, if you are going to learn or if you are going to apply, you should have the knowledge of that role through a project, because whatsoever form we will be sending, we'll be asking for your previous projects or current projects regarding to the technology. And you will have plus additional points for having some good project about the particular tool, particular technology. So try, if you're about to learn or you're learning something along all these roles, then you might must have some good project, or you might have project based understanding, because we might ask you about the project, we might ask you to show the project and explain the project. So if you will be opting for project based learning, that will be significant for you as well. So right now, if you guys have any doubt, you might ask. And that's all from the tech team side. You might ask in chat section as well, and you might ask through turning on your mic. All clear. If you guys are hesitating, although you should not hesitate, we are a very friendly community. If you guys are still facing any hesitation, you can directly contact to the leads if you have any doubt regarding what things we should learn, or whatever tools I have told you how they should be learned, or whatsoever doubt you are having, you can personally ask the leads. They can help you and guide you through this. And if you have any doubt regarding anything, you can ask right now as well, or in after that you can ask the doubts in community as well. Okay, so that's all from my side.
Thank you, Mansha, for like giving the brief about the roles and what's needed. Let's move to the non-tech team. So Shimul will be explaining about that.
All right, everyone. Good evening. I am Shimal Suplekar, the PR and marketing lead. So now let's know about our non-tech roles, the creative and planning side of our club. I am audible, right?
Yes, you're
Yeah, you
audible.
are audible.
Okay. So first, it is planning, editing, and production lead. So this is for the people who loves turning moments into memories. You'll be editing event highlights, videos, or maybe reels. Basically, making sure every great moment at GDG looks even greater on screen. You should have experience with CapCut, Premium Pro, or any editing tool. Basic understanding of color correction, transition, and timing, or have storytelling abilities. Now, next we move to PR and marketing lead. That's basically me. You'll be the voice of GDG on social media, event promotion, posting, or writing some sorts of captions, and connecting, engaging the audience. You should have strong communication and writing skills, knowledge about social media platforms, or maybe experience with analytic tools. Next, we have graphic design lead. So, for all the creative people who have got an eye for colors, layouts, and clean designs, this is your canvas. You'll design event posters, badges, and the social media creators. Basically, visual identity of GDG. If you know about Canva and Figma, basic knowledge about color theory, layout, and topography, you can apply for this role. You should also you can also present your past designs. It will be a bonus point for you. Next, we have event planning lead. So this is basically the backbone of every event, the behind the scenes. Okay, so you'll be handling timelines, logistics, coordination, and making sure everything runs smoothly from planning to execution. So what are the requirements for this? You should have strong organization and coordination skills, ability to handle multitasking and team management, or maybe prior event experience with good communication skills. Then finally, we have a content strategy lead. Now, if you are good at writing, so this is for you. This role is for you. You'll write captions, event descriptions, or maybe scripts, uh, making sure that everything sounds amazing. Okay, so it's all about storytelling and tone consistency. What are the requirements? uh, of course, your strong writing skills, your storytelling ability, your good command over grammar and tone adaptation. You should be a creative thinker, and it would be better if you have experience in blog writing or script writing. Okay, if anyone have any doubt regarding these non-tech roles, you can ask. Is there any doubt? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, no doubt. So, whether you choose visuals, writing, planning, or promoting, there's a space for every creative mind here. So, of course, you should apply for any role you are interested. Okay, that's all from my side. If you have any queries, you can ask now or later on. We will all. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Shimul, for giving brief about the non-tech team. Here are rules about the event. So, am I audible clearly, or is my voice echoing?
Yes, you are
Yes, you are.
audible.
You're
Okay,
audible.
ठीक है. So you can select up to 2 roles. You can select one or you can select two. We would recommend that you like one role should be non-tech and one role should be tech. But finally, it's up to you. Then all the incorrect information will lead to disqualification, obviously. Yeah, this is the time. So we will share the registration forms tonight, or actually by the end of the event. And then you have like the deadline is 20th October of the form filling. Based on the forms, there will be a shortlisting round, and then those shortlisted candidates will receive an email. Then there will be interviews held, and based on the interviews there will be assignment of task. Then based on that task, the candidate will be selected for the role. All right, is there any doubt in this? So this is the core team registration form. You guys can take the screenshot or something, and also Shimul, it would be great if you could like post the link in the chats. Also, you'll receive the link later on as well tonight, on various social media platforms in the GDG WhatsApp community and all. All right. Anybody has any questions?
Aditi, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
I had to tell one more thing that apart from all these things that Mansha and Shimal have said, for all the requirements and all the things you have to do for the community, there is one more thing which is that कि देखो अगर कोई भी इवेंट हो रहा है ना तो उसके अंदर ऐसा नहीं है कि मान लो अब जैसे क्लाउड का इवेंट हो रहा है सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट अप टू मी ये पूरी कम्युनिटी हम लोग साथ में रहते हैं सब लोग रहते हैं ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर क्लाउड का नो डाउट मैं मेन करूंगा हेल्प बट पूरी कम्युनिटी साथ में रहती है तो अगर कोई भी इवेंट होगा तो उसके अंदर सबको एक्टिव रहना जरूरी है ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर कोई सोचेगा कि क्लाउड का इवेंट है और मैं मान लो डिजाइन लीड हूँ तो मैं क्यों करूँ ये मुझे क्या मतलब उससे तो ऐसे बात नहीं रहती वी आर अ कम्युनिटी सो या एक पॉइंट ये मुझे ऐड करना था ठीक है अदिति
Yes, Laksh, that's very true. We work together and have each other's back.
या एलिजिबिलिटी पुराना है इसके अंदर कोई एलिजिबिलिटी नहीं है यू कैन बी एनीवन इट्स जस्ट अप टू स्किल्स कि आपको कितनी स्किल्स आती है हाउ इज योर कम्युनिकेशन आप इंटरेक्टिव हो हमसे अगर हम भी आपको देख रहे हैं दैट बहुत सारे बच्चे रहते हैं फॉर माय केस मैं अपने टाइम पे जब मुझे पार्टिसिपेट करना था जीडीजी में रिक्रूट होना था देन आई वाज एक्टिव द होल ईयर
Hello everyone, I am Trishans, currently an AI ML and data science lead at GDG SDSF. So I have to tell few things to you all that कि मेरे को यहाँ मैक्सिमम जो दिख रहे हैं दे आर फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ईयर वाले कितने एक बार चैट पे लिख दो मतलब मेरे को थोड़ा काउंट पता चल जाएगा अच्छा फर्स्ट ईयर वाले ही ज़्यादा है सो देखो ऐसा है कि तुमको मतलब जैसे मंशा ने एक्सप्लेन किया है कि टेक रोल्स के लिए क्या स्किल्स चाहिए शिमुल ने एक्सप्लेन किया नॉन टेक के लिए क्या स्किल्स चाहिए तो टेक रोल्स जो है जैसे एंड्रॉयड हो गया या ईएमएल लीड हो गया तो इसके लिए ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि बहुत हाई लेवल की स्किल्स चाहिए मतलब अभी यू आर जस्ट इन फर्स्ट ईयर सो तुमको ईएमएल में इतना नहीं आता ये ठीक है तो ऐसा नहीं है टेक रोल्स है एंड्रॉयड लीड या ईएमएल लीड एंड ऑल तो उसमें अगर बेसिक्स भी आता है तो भी अप्लाई करो देखो मेन गोल ये है कि यू विल गेट एक्सपीरियंस मेरा ऐसा है कि तुम लोग एक्सपीरियंस के लिए इंटरव्यूज दो क्या है कि इंडस्ट्री मतलब जैसे टेक में आईटी में जाओगे तो जैसे इंटरव्यू होगे वैसे ही हम कंडक्ट करेंगे। सो ये मत सोचो कि हमको अभी नहीं आता है तो हम अभी अप्लाई नहीं करते टेक रोल्स में। यू शुड अप्लाई। फर्स्ट ईयर में हो, अप्लाई तो करो, इंटरव्यू का एक्सपीरियंस होगा। सो ये एक है। और जैसे मेरा सजेशन ये है कि इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ईयर, सो ट्राई टू अप्लाई इन द नॉन टेक रोल्स। नॉन टेक रोल्स एज कम्पेयर्ड ईजी रहेंगे। टेक रोल्स के लिए सीनियर जैसे सेकेंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर दे ऑब्वियसली नो बेटर देन यू। सो ट्राई टू अप्लाई इन द नॉन टेक रोल। फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट मैं सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है नॉन टेक में अप्लाई मत करो। इफ यू हैव स्किल्स देन अप्लाई। और जैसी स्किल्स बताई जैसे AIML में दे आर, जैसे मनशा ने बताया LLM एंड ऑल, जनरेटिव AI इट इज़ वेरी हाई लेवल। तो इतना हाई लेवल नहीं पूछेंगे, जैसे ML के बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट हो गए ये सब। और मैं थोड़ा डिफाइन कर देता हूँ बाकी रोल्स का भी। एंड्रॉयड हो गया तो एंड्रॉयड में मेनली यूजेस वी यूज कॉटलिन, बट कॉटलिन नहीं भी आती है तो वी कैन गो फॉर जावा। देन AIML you should know about machine learning, means basics and its models and basics of AI. Then cloud lead के लिए you should have knowledge about GCP and all, GCP, Azure, AWS, any cloud you know, and Android cloud, AIML, and web development have you should have knowledge about HTML, CSS। ठीक है, तो मतलब अप्लाई तो करो, होगा नहीं होगा वो अलग बात है। थर्ड थिंग यही है कि तुम लोग अप्लाई करो जो मैं कह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि तुमको एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। और ये हाँ, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग, जैसे सेकेंड ईयर वाले हो गए, थर्ड ईयर वाले हो गए, तो अगर सिलेक्शन हो या ना हो उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। और अगर योर फ्रेंड्स गेट सिलेक्टेड, यू आर नॉट सिलेक्टेड दिस टाइम, बट यू विल गेट एक्सपीरियंस। दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। तो अगर तुम्हारा कोई फ्रेंड सिलेक्ट भी हो गए, तुम नहीं भी हो, तो ये मत सोचना कि हम GDG में अब नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि हम सिलेक्ट नहीं। यू कैन बी सिलेक्टेड इन द नेक्स्ट टाइम, बट यू विल गेन द एक्सपीरियंस। दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट। जैसा मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूँ तो मैं सेकेंड ईयर में था, फर्स्ट ईयर में तो मैं दे भी नहीं पाया था इंटरव्यू। सेकेंड ईयर में मैंने AIML लीड और इवेंट मैनेजमेंट के लिए दिया था इंटरव्यू, तो मैं सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ था। बट इससे मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैंने GDG के इवेंट्स अटेंड करना बंद कर दिया एंड ऑल। नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई किया, AIML में मेरा हो गया। सो ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन अप्लाइंग टू गेन एक्सपीरियंस, नॉट अबाउट द सिलेक्शन। ठीक है, और किसी को कुछ डाउट्स हो तो अभी पूछ सकते हैं मेरे से।
I would like to say this thing कि जिनको भी interest है and whatsoever people are trying in whatever technology or whatever non-tech role, you should be positive and optimistic towards this community, even if you are getting selected or not being selected. आप events attend करना, और अगर आप कम्युनिटी में आते हो तो आई कैन अश्योर कि यू विल बिकम अ बेटर पर्सन, बिकॉज जब आप इवेंट्स हैंडल करते हो और इन्वॉल्व होते हो, इंटरेक्ट करते हो, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी पर्सनालिटी में चेंजेस आते हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड इन द पास्ट 1 year. So it is a very nice thing and a very productive thing to do. And even if you are applying and you're not being selected, so then also gaining the experience of facing an interview, that is very important for being in this industry. So yeah, it's a very gainful experience for everybody, and all the best. My best wishes with everybody, and if you guys have any doubt, आप हम लोग से contact कर सकते हैं. That's it.
नहीं, सेम ही चीज़ है जो त्रिशांत सर और मंशा ने कही कि अगर आप सिलेक्ट होते हो या नहीं होते हो, यू विल मीन्स गेन समथिंग। सो अप्लाई तो करना ही है सबको। एंड या कोई डाउट हो तो यू कैन आस्क। एंड बस इतना ही है अभी तो। ऑल द बेस्ट एंड थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you, Shimul. So, everyone, please keep checking all the updates and all. It will be like posted in the announcements uh, on WhatsApp as well, and on Instagram as well. So don't miss, and 20th is the last date. So registration forms will be shared to you soon. Then till then, keep working on yourself. Choose the domain you like. Yeah. As for me, like if I look back, the designs I used to make before, like 1 year before and now, I see the difference. Okay, so I've developed myself a lot. I can see that, and so highly recommended that you guys apply. Doesn't matter if you're selected or not. Like applying is more important. So yeah, we can conclude the session. So anybody has any doubt, they can stay, or like ask something, they can stay, as you are free to leave.